Hey, what's up, guys? I thought we would finally do a quick check-in on the grow closet. It's been sitting all winter, just completely packed full of houseplants and other plants, and the giant carrot. We haven't even updated about the giant carrot. So let's do that now. Should we do the curtain reveal? No, no, no. Yeah, look at that huge carrot plant. Oh my gosh, let me see if I can get in there to show you guys how big this thing is. Here, can I get over by it? Look at it. Whoa, I almost fell. Look at how big this thing is. It's a giant bush. Okay, let's take you guys off the tripod and let's take a closer look at stuff. How do we do that? Oh, okay. Yeah, so as you can see, the grow closet is completely packed full. And when I say packed full, look, like back, there is no, you can't see floor space anywhere. Look, there's a plant under there. So let's just check everything out real quick. This poor fuchsia looks a little tired, but it's been blooming all winter. This is the one, that plant that we grabbed from the dump, that little, remember I took just the root ball and I planted it? And actually, it's got about the least amount of flowers right now. It's just kind of tired. But it's been blooming all winter. Sometimes a lot of blooms. So we have all kinds of stuff, all my air plants. When I was in Florida during the winter, I grabbed some cuttings. I didn't dig up or destroy anything. I just grabbed some cuttings and some plants that were getting thrown away on the side of the road that had air plants in them. So I grabbed some different kinds of air plants. I've always had this big one, but I have a few different kinds and some of that old man's beard. A couple different kinds of air plants that are chilling in there. They love it right there. I got my, all these plants were free. My money, wait, I call that a money tree. That's probably, is that right? Jade plant free from the dentist. Free from the dump. Free. Amaryllis free. I bought this. I forgot what it's called. Oh, it's buried in here. I can't wait to get it out. All these are going to go outside. Look, it shot up another shiny leaf thing. These are cool. They can get really big, but I forgot what they're called. Somebody tell me. And this, holy cow, this is getting really long. Uh-oh. Look at this cool vine. I grabbed this. Look at this. I grabbed this as a 2-leaf cutting in Florida. I don't even know what it is. I hope it's not poisonous. Does anybody recognize that? It's very just kind of waxy leaf. Really neat. It looks like a, it looks like a good houseplant, but I've never seen it grown as a houseplant. So that's pretty cool. And I got some philodendron hiding in there. There's some stuff hiding. Oh no, the poor Rose of Jericho plant needs some light. So yeah, it's going to be great when I can finally get this stuff out of here. It is hard to explain how big this carrot plant is. Can you guys see this? Oh my gosh. And the carrot is just, I don't know if we're going to be able to see anything under here. There's these side roots growing. Here, let me see if I can hold it. Watch. Watch this. Look at this. There's this huge, look at how big this is. This is just a little side root off the main stalk, like the main carrot. The main carrot is just a giant, like a tree trunk. Like when I push on it, it just feels like an oak tree trunk. So, oh yeah, you probably saw my nice clickbait title. This could very well be the largest indoor carrot ever grown. The Guinness Book of World Record indoor carrot. Mostly because people probably haven't really tried before like this. Maybe I'm in a competition with another guy, so maybe his is bigger, but he doubts it. Pumpkin Mark, he's growing one also. So we will do the reveal at probably July 1st. It's been September 20th, this carrot came up. And so it's been like, what, 6.5 months, almost 7 months. And July 1st, the contest ends unless he concedes and this looks like it's going to be an actual world record for carrot, then I might let it go longer. The world record right now for carrot, like outdoor grown, of course, is 22.44 pounds, grown by Christopher Qualley and I actually know him. Me and him traded some carrot seeds one time, and he could have even used my seed. I don't even know. But we could maybe try to beat his 22-pound carrot record and get the Guinness record, guys. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Otherwise, we're gonna self-claim. We're gonna self-claim world's largest indoor until someone provides some data that there's a bigger one. Self-claimed. So Guinness doesn't like to mess around with like side records. Like they won't recognize an indoor record. They'll recognize it if I beat the 22.44. So that's what we'll go for. I wish we could see better in there, but you just can't. There's side roots. Hey, is that some carrot sticking out over here? Oh, wait, what is that? Oh, that's just nothing. Yeah, there's big old side shoots that shoot out all around it. So that's gonna be really fun if we can get this giant pot out of here, and outside we can use a garden hose, or we can take it out of the pots and gently rinse it off so we don't break any of the roots, because it's gonna be all windy and crazy looking, and we need every ounce we can get if we're gonna try to beat that world record. Yeah. So that's the update. I can't wait to clear this out because it needs spring cleaning. It just needs to get cleared out. Here, can you guys see up here? I'm holding you guys up high. And what we'll probably do next in here, once the carrot's gone, we'll probably set up like a grow area to grow food for the tortoise or something, or we'll think of another project. So, all right, well, I just wanted to show you guys real quick, and that's the update for the carrot. Here, let me add some photos in right now of when the carrot was really small, and if I have any pictures of it progressing. I'll do that now. There we go. Yeah, there's a few pictures probably, I hope. Yeah, otherwise, let's see what else is going on. I have a couple. Oh, look it. I have a rescued. Here, don't bite me. Look it. I got a couple rescued snappers that I'm overwintering because I found them in very bad condition, almost dead. Here, let me add a picture of what one looked like when I found it. Yeah, did you see that? It was all crusted with mud and almost dead. It was in the fall. I think they spent way too much time underground because it was drought. There was a long drought, so I think they were stuck underground, the babies. So they were so weak I couldn't even let them go. So I overwintered two of them. The reason I had to split them up is the other one was growing way faster and was kind of bullying this one. And so I split them up for now. So I'm going to be letting them go soon. We just got to acclimate them to the cold water and, make sure the turtles are out and about in the lake naturally. So it's a little early for that, but we'll acclimate them to colder water and we can go release them. We'll make a video. So that'll be cool. So yeah, I'll show you guys the other turtle in a second. It's bigger and it's in my big tank. So, and if you wonder why I don't have any thing for them to crawl up on, I did all winter and they've never used it. In both tanks I had like floating bark, I tried wood planks, I tried like a piece of styrofoam, like I thought they might want to come crawl out and rest or bask or do something, but they don't. They want to stay in the water all the time. Okay, let's take a look at the other turtle. I caught them in the act of they're doing their little cleaning play. Oh, I scared him. Let's see if he does it. There he goes. See, he cleans his shell off. Yeah, there he goes. At the moment, the turtle doesn't seem to like it, but I've seen the turtle go swim over by him. What's he doing? See, the pleco pushes him around with his big old fins. It's really goofy. They got a kind of little symbiotic, some kind of little friendship going on, I think. So it's kind of cool. But yeah, we'll have to let him go pretty soon here. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll do another update when the next update will probably be when we harvest the carrot. And it's going to be awesome. We'll see how close we can get to the world record, and it's going to be awesome. So like and subscribe so you can keep an eye on that. And we're going to be starting all the giant seeds tomorrow. So I should film that. We're going to start a bunch of them. Giant pumpkins and maybe bushel gourd, watermelon. I don't know. Let's just start a bunch of stuff. And you guys can live in here until then. Bye-bye.